Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about a box and whisker plots. Here are the steps to construct box and whisker. Step number 1, arrange. We are going to arrange data in order form. Step number 2, quartile. We need to find Q1, Q2 and Q3. Remember our Q2 is equal to median. Step 3, determine outlier. We need to find lower fence, upper fence, and interquartile range. And step 4, we are going to sketch box and whisker. Here are the 5 number summary of the box and whisker. The box here is about Q1, Q2 and Q3. The whisker will be at the left will be the smallest data value. Whisker at the right will be the largest data value. And then we are going to plot if there any outlier from the data. Now we look at example. Example 1, construct box and whisker for the following data. First, we are going to do the first step, which is arrange the data. So we are going to arrange the data in increasing order. 5, 10, 20, 22, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, 40, and 45. Second step, we are going to find the 3 quartile. We need from the data n equals to 12. So we are going to find the location for Q1 first. Q1 will be 1 over 4 multiplied by n, 12. So we have 3. 3 is integer number. So integer number, our Q1 will be x3 plus x4 divided by 2. So Q1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have here 20 and 24. Sorry, 21. 20 plus 22 divided by 2 equals to 21. So first quartile is 21. Next, we are going to find location for Q2. So 2 over 4 multiplied by 12, we have 6. 6 is integer, so we are going to take x6 plus x7 divided by 2. So our Q2 equals to 5, 6, 7. 6, 7 will be 24 and 26. So 24 plus 26 divided by 2 equals to 25. Our Q2 is 25. Remember, Q2 is equivalent to median. Q3, the location will be 3 over 4 multiplied by 12 equals to 9. So 9 is integer. We are going to take x9 plus x10 divided by 2. So our Q3 equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. So 9, 10 will be 28 and 30. 28 plus 30 divided by 2 equals to 29. So our third quartile is 29. Third step, we are going to determine if there any outlier. So we need to find interquartile range. The formula is Q3 minus Q2. Q3 is 21. Sorry, it's not minus Q2, minus Q1. 29 minus 21 equals to 8. And then we find lower fence and upper fence. Lower fence is Q1 minus 1.5 multiplied by interquartile range. Upper fence, we are going to have Q3 plus 1.5 multiplied by interquartile range. So we are going to calculate 21 plus 1.5 multiplied by 8, 49, and upper fence will be 29 plus 1.5 multiplied by 8 equals to 41. So any data that outside of this band, we call it outlier. Now we look at step number 1. We've already arranged our data in inclusive order. Now we are going to put our upper fence and lower fence. Upper fence is 9. 9 will be here. This one will be upper fence. Sorry, it's not upper fence, it's lower fence. Upper fence will be 41. So 41 should be here. Somewhere here. After 40, before 45. So this one will be our upper fence. And now we have our outlier. So outlier is outside the fence. So we have here 2 outliers. So we are going to write down at third step, outliers are 5 and 45. Next, we are going to proceed with step 4, plot the box and whisker. Our data is from number 5 until number 45. So we do the scale here. Let's say we start with number 0. Okay, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, next we are going to plot the box. So remember, our box will be 21, 25, and 29. Will be here. Our box start 21 until 29 here. Okay, and then we are going to label our Q1. Q1 is 21. Our Q2 is 25. 25 will be here. 25 and Q3 will be 29. We're done with our box, and then we are going to plot our whisker. Okay, whisker, look at here, we have outlier, so our whisker will be 10 at the left, 40 at the right. So our whisker will be 10 at the left and 40 at the right. And then we draw the whisker. Whisker ini misal. done for the whisker. And then don't forget we are going to put our outliers, which are 5 and 45. So this one will be our outlier. So we put outlier. So we've done with our box and whisker plot. The better version will be at the second one. So that's all for box and whisker plot. Thank you. Bye bye.